Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Just finished cleaning the actual ports for this car here. As you can see the difference there? Still gotta do the bottom one again. A little bit on the side there. That one there. If you do take the exhaust off, please just clean it properly. This one here, I've got to work on the top as well. A little bit more at the bottom. If you compare this to before, the previous video, then you'll know what I mean. Same here, I've got to do a little bit more on top as well. A bit more here. This one here, I've got to take the spark plug out and clean the actual, put some compressed air into there because I think a little bit of a dirt went in here. So I've got to make sure that's clean. They're all closed except this side here. Just that one there at the back. Was a little bit open, so but all the valves are closed, as you can see. Alright, it took me a long time. Look, have a look at what is inside the actual exhaust ports. That is all, even this one here, all that dirt is carbon. That's all little carbon broken up after you actually use the actual liquid moly intake decarb. Alright. So now we're gonna get a more. I might have to use a bit more. Okay, another maybe 2 more bottles. Then I'll get the whole lot cleaned up before I actually put the intake on, the exhaust on today. Alright. So you can see it's much better than before, but it's a little bit more work at the bottom and on the outer edges. That was so hard to take off. All I used was that little brush, and that little one there. But you've got to take your time, you can't scrape it hard, otherwise you'll scratch the wall. So the cleaner the actual intake port, the better the airflow. So a little bit of horsepower increase, but not as much. But you know the throttle. The biggest notice giveaway is actually responsive throttle body. Very highly response from the actual gas when you step on it. Due to the smooth airflow. Out, I'll do the intake as well, not just the exhaust. I usually do the exhaust and the intake together. So this one, I'll put the exhaust on and I'll turn the engine over, and then I'll clean the intake manifold here first, and then do the same cleaning on the intake manifold, just like this. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.